Banks. If you're new to the channel, of course you guys gotta like and subscribe. That way you guys are in tune with the latest and greatest information. As always, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you're new to the channel, of course, make sure you guys like and subscribe as I mentioned. But I am doing a giveaway at the end of the month, and basically that's just my way of giving back to you guys. So make sure you guys either comment your you can either comment your cash apps or DM me on Instagram. I got all that information put up as well. So it's a win-win situation, guys, for you guys when it comes down to this. And I just want to actually get back to you guys. Now, a lot of people are saying that the PPP ended. Is it extended? People are getting funded, and it's a weird situation, to be honest, because you have people who've been waiting months and months trying to get funded. And then you have those people who who are getting funded within days, who are still getting funded. Then you have some people who their portal says the PPP has ended. So it really all comes down to your situation. As I mentioned before, everybody's situation is different, guys. Your situation is going to be different from the next person's situation. Let me know in the comment section if you guys are still trying to qualify for a PPP loan, or you guys need help for another type of loan that's possibly open for you guys. I would try my best, as always, to push a lot of this content out to you guys and help everybody that I can. And that's just my way, like I said, of putting back with you guys. Now, before we get into this, I will let you guys know. Let me know where you guys stand as far as an update. I got a lot of updates on my channel. You go to the playlist, you'll see a lot of updates on my channel as well when it comes to finances, financial institutions, all of that good stuff. Now, let me know in the comment section where you guys stand, and I will give me 1 minute here while I load this. Go load the screenshot up for you guys. And somebody began to say funded after 3 months in UBI. Can't believe it. I had given up. Stopped checking Womply for the last month, and today I woke up to my second PPP deposit after being in UBI status for 3 months. There you guys have it. A lot of people have just basically given up, right? They basically said, I'm not going to be doing this anymore. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait it out. And sometimes that's the best thing to do, is wait it out. With those waits, a lot of people actually were getting funded. Sometimes it's best when it's least expected, right? You're not expecting to get funded. You're not expecting anything, at the end of the day, as far as, are you going to get funded? You want to get funded as soon as possible, but like I said, there's been a lot of glitches. It's been a lot going on when it comes down to the PPP loans that people don't know about in the background, but it does look like people are getting funded. So let me know, like I said, let me know your status in the comment section, and I'll go ahead and read some of these comments. They begin to say Capital Plus has been doing quite a bit of finding the last couple of days, or funding, they mean. Congrats, I'm excited for everybody, which is true. I'm excited for everybody as well. I know it's been a long journey. A lot of people have been, like I said, waiting to get funded, still waiting. Some people have been funded. A lot of people are waiting for that forgiveness right now. So it seems like it's a win-win situation, even though I know it took a very long time. Now, somebody said, yes, I went into borrow funded yesterday. What bank account do you have? And they said Wells Fargo. They said, what is going on with the Womply? Was your confirmed funding in orange exclamation, or did it turn green? I'm going to say it was green. It never let me change anything. Who is your lender? Capital Plus. Will it let you change anything with green checks? They said nope. Is that why I kept getting the access denied page when I tried to update? I've had all green checks for months and have been in UBI. They begin to say, did anyone else get their second draw? I never got my second PPP. What is UBI? Update bank info. And yeah, let me know where you guys stand. A lot of people, like I said, you forget about these PPP loans, and then bam, you're funded, you know. So if you've been waiting, feel free to check your account. Let me know where you guys stand. I'm going to try my best, as always, to point you guys in the right direction. Like I said, a lot of you guys send me this information, and you know, it's right back. You know what I mean? And yeah, you guys send me the information, I create the content. So like I said, it's a win-win situation as well. You know, don't forget about that giveaway. So feel free to drop Cash Apps. You can, you know what I mean, drop Cash Apps or do whatever you guys want to do. If you guys got Cash App, you guys got Chime. I'm not too familiar with you guys have, but like I said, I will try my best to point everybody in the right direction. As always, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay ETC, as known as Child Tax Credit. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you're new to the channel, of course, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And before we begin, I wanted to let you guys know that I am doing a giveaway at the end of the month, and that's just my way of giving back to you guys. You guys watching my content, liking and subscribing. So I 110% appreciate you guys, and that is just my way of giving back. Now today's update will be the child tax credit. I know tons of people have not received their child tax credit, and I know tons of people have. So hopefully I can give you guys a little update. I know tons of people have been messaging me about this child tax credit, asking me for updates. What could they actually do? Is there anything that they could do for the child tax credit updates? And if I could point them in the right direction. Now I actually got a screenshot we will be getting into, and it's just basically covering the child tax credit. Let me know if you guys actually received your child tax credit for this month, if it's on a delay, was it shorter than normal, what exactly was going on, because it does look like people have been getting shorted. I'm not too sure why. You know, actually I discussed I'll discuss a little bit on my previous video explaining what could have happened and whatnot, but for people to not receive their payment yet, it does look like people are going to receive their payments this Friday. So this Friday does look like it is the day, but you know, all we can do is just keep our fingers crossed. If you guys have not received your CTC, hopefully this Friday, that does look like it's going to be an update. But I know last week we talked about it, and last Friday was the update. So they are funding people slowly, but they are working on that. You know, they are working on that. I feel like they understand what's going on by now. You know, they understand. But it's always something with the government. If you guys don't know, you know, it's just always something where, you know, something always going on. So just in case, guys, if you can, always try to have a little bit of more in the stash. You know what I mean? Save a lot more, because you never know what the next month's going to be. You know, whether you get your child tax credit this month, try to save a little bit more. That way, if this happens again next week, you know, you're not in a bad situation, you know, because I know tons of people who their situation got worse, you know, waiting on this child tax credit or waiting on that and expecting to receive that payment. And in reality, they don't, you know, they don't receive it in a timely manner, you know. So it's just one of those things where I hope everybody out there just does the right thing, you know. And I totally understand too, it is the government, you know, what can you really do? The government seems like there's always a glitch, there's always something going on with the government, you know, that's really out of our control. You know, it really is. It's out of my control. No matter how much information I pump to you guys, I can't control when you will get paid. You know, I can give you guys some updates